This design focuses on visually connecting steps, and in this tutorial, you'll build a feature step connector using Photoshop custom shapes. Start by opening Photoshop and creating a wide canvas. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw multiple circle shapes across the canvas, keeping equal distance between them. These circles will represent steps or features. Now connect each circle using thin rectangle shapes to form a continuous flow. Inside every circle, add a number or icon using the Type tool. Below each step, draw a small rounded rectangle to hold a short explanation. Highlight the active step by increasing its size and changing its color. Duplicate the entire connector, place it behind, lower opacity slightly, and offset it for depth. Zoom out. The flow now looks smooth, logical,